Taking this last fold that we did, we're going to do the rabbit ear fold, and at the same time fold the entire unit in half. Mountain fold this section. Now we have the general shape of our puppy, of our dog. Take the top point, do a outside reverse fold to form the head of the dog. For the snout of the dog, we want to open it a little bit and do a pleat fold again. Fold the point down and fold it back out. Pleat fold. Now for dogs, they don't have pointy noses, not that I know of. So I'd like to fold that point back into the fold so that it has a kind of a stub nose. Now refold that inside reverse, and you have the snout of the dog. For the ears, take this section and fold it out at an angle, like so. And do the same thing on the other side. Turn it around, take this flap, fold it out, and you have a puppy. For the tail, you can either do a outside reverse fold or an inside reverse fold to kind of curl it so that it curls the way you like it to. A dog.